I rejoice therefore that I have confidence in you in all things. 2 Corinthians chapter 7 verses 16. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Let's make this party style spicy stewed gizzard and liver that is going to be served with this delicious turmeric rice. This does not have to be missed on the holiday table. It is affordable, delicious and very easy to make. So if you are interested, please stay tuned and let's make this together. So these are the list of the ingredients needed here, very few of them. I have here some chicken gizzard, which has been cleaned and washed very nice with some lime juice as well. And to that, I have my liver here. It has been washed as well, and some selected vegetables. It's amazing to have some mixed bell peppers and some red and white onions, carrots, and some spring onions. That's all I'm using today. And to that, I have my tomato stew. I'll not be using too much of the tomato stew though, but I have here some natural seasoning, some chicken bouillon, salt, garlic, ginger, and some scotch bonnet pepper. I still have one secret ingredient which I will show very soon. So let's begin by steaming our gizzard. To that, I'll add my chicken bouillon, and this is the natural blended spices. I added some ginger, garlic, onions, some rosemary, and some aniseed, and just blend everything. And this is going to steam for about 10 minutes on its own. Do not add any extra water, okay? It's always advisable to start off with your gizzard as it is quite tough than the liver, okay? So about 10 minutes or 12 minutes into steaming that, I'm going to add my liver to it right now. Do not worry, it's going to grab all the other amazing seasoning in there and it's going to be just fine. So this is about 10 minutes of it steaming together and it looks absolutely delicious already. I'm going to infuse scotch bonnet pepper for that extra heat. I'll cover it once again for about 5 minutes so that everything steams very well together. I'm going to set it aside and begin with the sauce. It's so simple, fam. I'm going to add a little bit, just a little bit of oil, and then go in with my steamed gizzard and liver. Ah, they're so good. So right now we are going to be sauteing this for about 5 minutes. We just want it to be a little bit caramelized, and that is all. Trust me, fam, it smells amazing. To cover it and allow it to rest for about 5 minutes. In the waiting time, I like to go ahead and cook my rice. We're going to be cooking this delicious turmeric rice that I absolutely love. You can add lots more veggies if you so wish, okay? So here are the ingredients. I'll list each and every one below in the description box. I'll first go in with my coconut oil and some chopped red onions, and to that I'll add my chicken bouillon for flavor. I will also go in with some garlic granules and some turmeric powder. Each and every ingredient is definitely listed below with its right quantity, all right? So do not worry. So today I'd like to specially shout out to my dear sister Sia Noki. She is amazing support and I do love your channel so much, sis. Thank you for the amazing support throughout the year. Please fam, go ahead and subscribe to her channel. She is so good at what she does. So now that our rice, green peas, everything pretty much has gone in, I'll just allow it to simmer through for about 3 minutes and then add some water. Add enough water that will be able to cook your rice. So we're cooking the rice on a very low heat to medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes and it should be done. Do not worry, okay? So let's check on our gizzard. It has caramelized. It's beautifully brown. So we're going to now introduce all our vegetables. Here you can go wild, add any vegetable of choice, mix it together, and we're going to still go ahead and cover it just about 3 minutes, and then we are going to introduce the rest of the ingredients here. Just love gizzard and some liver combination, y'all. It's the perfect time for us to introduce our tomato stew, and just rinse the bowl with a little bit of water. That's all you need. Mix everything together. Make sure that it is very well incorporated. Yeah, we want it to be very, very saucy and just so tender. This is absolutely delicious. So good. Just have a look at this. All that you want to do is allow it to simmer through for about 3 minutes, and you should be done. One thing that I also love to add here is some suya powder and a bit of spring onions. Oh boy, those combo, killer. So good. I'm telling you, you are going to love this. It is absolutely smelling amazing. It is so easy, very delicious, and it looks that it's set to go and it's set to be served. Let's go ahead and check on our rice. It is absolutely delicious and fluffy, well paired, very well paired together. So yes, there you have it, family. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and you are going to give it a try. Let me tell you, a lot of people are going to love it because it's absolutely delicious. Thank you so very much for watching. Once again, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share to a few friends and family, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Bye.